Hi, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron here at FreeOnlineTradingEducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm not only an analyst but also a mentor and the host of the Grok Star Trading Room. Here's a trade that we had this morning on FOSL. That's FOSL. They reported last night, and when they closed yesterday, this is what it looked like at $125. And here's what it looked like after opening. Bam! All the way down here at $92.78 to open. Well, that's down a whopping 26%. So let's move this up and stretch it out and see what happened to this baby next. Okay, here we go. Let's see what happens next. Well, what you do not see here is that it had been falling all morning and it had been low basing right here at the 92.50 area. 92.50 was the low base support. If it continued on that line, I wanted to go short if it dropped below the 92.50. If you want to know more about what a low base breakdown is, you can go to FreeOnlineTradingEducation.com to our free chart school. We go to low base. Here's a description of it, and then down below is a picture where they have a rundown and then this long line along a line of support, in this case 92.50. This is a bearish formation that if it breaks that support, it's likely to be going down and rather strongly. So let's see what happened next here. Went up, pulling back again, this 92.50. Bam, there we go. I'm now entered in the order at 92.28 short. Let's see what happens next. Bam. Look at that. Now it's at 91. Kind of slowed down a little bit there. Oh my, look at that. Now it's down to 89. Now it's starting to kind of form a base here. Or is it forming what we call a bear pullback, where it pulls up to a line of resistance and then falls again. So if you'd missed this original bear pullback entry, here's another one developing. Possible another short entry if we were to break back here by the $89. And sure enough, what happens here? Bam! There she goes. So there would have been a really good entry for a bear pullback. Up, pulls right back up like that, and up again. It broke through not only the 8 EMA, also hit and tagged the 20 EMA, and that got me out for half of my order right here on the break of the 8 at 88.58 for 4.0%. I'm still short half. Let's pull this up and see where we go. Well, you see, look at that. These are nice lines of resistance, and again, here's another bear pullback. And it's starting to fail. We'd see this 2 would have been a good entry in here. And bam, look at this, down to the $56 level, in the $85 level. We're going to have to compress this down. It's going down too fast. Well, look at that. But now look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 down candles in a row. Yeah, it hits 84 and does pull back up. But will this 8 EMA act as a line of resistance? It sure does. Another very tiny pullback here, and bam, we're on our way again. Now it pulls up. Now this one's an even better bear pullback, and again, didn't even get past the 20, and it's starting to fall. This would be a good long entry. Bam, look at that. Look at this go. It's still dropping. We're now at $82 possible support. It slices through that, tags the 81, pulls back up. So I'm pulling my stop down, and it tagged me right when I pulled my stop down. It got me at $82.96. Are you ready for this? For 10% on that second leg. So the total trade then, we're going to have to compress it down so we can even see the whole thing. From here, getting out half here and the other half right down here, was for 7.0% in 42 minutes. Well, let's see what happened next. Well, guess what? It was just low basing here again, just like our original one. We had a leg down, and now it's low basing with the 82 as your line of support. So I set up in order to go short, and it took me in right here, and I got filled at 82.11. I'm now short 82.11. Let's see what happens next. $8.60, or a little bit of a bear pullback. Bam! There we go. Sliced right through the 78. Pulling back up now. Things are starting to change, and then it took me out right here on the break of this 20 EMA. I got out that one at 78.60. From here down to here was a 4.2%. Well, so between these two trades, well, let's see if we can even see them. Look at this. Oh, there we go. From here all the way down to here, scaling in and out, it was for 11.2%. These are just 2 of 11 trades that we had this morning in the Grok room, for a total of 19.7% on our called trades today. You're welcome to join us for free. There's a 30-day trial available. Just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Go to the chat room page, and down below is where you can sign up for that free trial. Just remember that when we trade without emotion, because emotions can kill your trading, both the good emotions and the bad ones.